President Barack Obama signed the Kilah Davenport Child Protection Act into law Tuesday. Republican Congressman Robert Pittenger introduced the bill in honor of a young North Carolina girl. Washington reporter Jeff Bennett caught up with Pittenger and has more on the story.
Republican Congressman Robert Pittenger repeatedly used the word grateful to describe how he feels now that President Obama has signed the Kilah Davenport Child Protection Act into law. It's named in memory of 4-year-old Kilah Davenport, who was severely beaten by her stepfather in Union County back in 2012. Kilah Davenport died from those injuries earlier this year. Pittenger worked with Davenport's family to make sure the bill became law.
They have been through a very difficult journey, and I'm grateful that the President has signed this legislation today.
The law requires the Department of Justice to investigate state child abuse laws to make sure abusers are appropriately punished. North Carolina was among the states that had incredibly lenient child abuse laws and criminal penalties. Now, the Senate unanimously approved Kilah's law earlier this month, and Pittenger told me he was happy to have played a part.
Well, I'm grateful for the opportunity to serve. I'm grateful for her family who dedicated their lives to be able to make sure that other children were not hurt by this type of egregious crime. So this is a moment that we can cherish for the future, for our country, and for young people, that they'll be protected.
Now, Kilah's stepfather, 25-year-old Joshua Hauser, was found guilty of felony child abuse and sentenced to 7 to 10 years in prison with credit for time served. Reporting in Washington, I'm Jeff Bennett.